Whether your budget is $50, $500, or $5,000, I've got you covered with deals and must-have picks that will make anyone's holiday unforgettable. It's time to talk about shopping for drone gifts. So in this video, I'm going to break down the top drone gifts and accessories at 3 different price points so you can snag the perfect deal before the holiday season ends. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the best picks under $50. These are going to be perfect for beginners, kids, or anyone that's new to drones. If you must buy a drone that's under $50, you cannot expect a lot. You are not going to get anything that's like a DJI product at that price point, unless you think about used, but then that's a whole other story. A couple other examples are going to be like the Bluefire mini drone or Sky Vipers line of drones. We've got links in the description below, obviously, for everything in here. Drones of size and price are going to be stocking stuffers. They're going to be probably disposable. They're toys. They're not going to last long. In the accessory space, there's a ton of options under $50, and this is where we're going to spend most of our time talking about this price point. First off, ND filters, right? You want to control light on it, especially if you've got a drone that's got a fixed aperture. SD cards, look for something that's 256 gigs. Usually they're going to be at a pretty good price point. USB-C flash drives, right? So offloading footage from your cards, you need some portable storage. Landing pads are going to protect the drone in a dusty environment, or they're going to be able to set out a space that you can actually fly a drone. LED lights, if you fly at night in the States, you have to have a light that is visible from 3 nautical miles. And it's a nice thing to have in Canada as well. Obviously, there's onboard drone lights, but having an extra strobe is going to aid in visibility. You're going to want some gloves. If we're going into winter, we are north of 60 up here. You're going to want something that works with touch screens. So a set of touchscreen friendly gloves are going to be a great gift opportunity. Hand warmers are always something that's good. Just you can get powered ones or you can get those metal ones. They're a good option as well. Speaking of power, USB power bricks, right? Get something that's under 99 watt hours so you can fly with it on an airplane that supports power delivery, USB-C fast charging. Another one for organization, getting back to storage, is SD card wallets. They're going to be great for organizing your memory cards if you've got more than one, and it protects them when you're on the road. Drone skins is another one, or decals or stickers, something that's going to actually make your drone yours and decorate it. Just keep in mind though, if you're doing it on a mini, that the skin can't cause the drone to weigh more than 249 grams. So at $500, you're in the sweet spot for hobbyists and advanced beginners. And a drone in this category, there's really one that's going to stand above the rest right now, especially for someone that is new to drones. It's going to be the DJI Neo. It's well under $500 US, especially when you get the Fly More kit, which we recommend. The kit's going to contain both extra batteries and a controller. Now, again, at the $500 borderline price point, you can even add goggles, and you're going to create that out-of-the-box FPV experience using the motion controller and the goggles and the drone and the Fly More for $509. It's right on the money at $500. Another option for a drone at the $500 price point is the Mini 4K. Again, we recommend getting the Fly More combo, which is going to come in well under $500 US. And that's going to have the drone, the batteries, and the controller. And the Mini 4K is a GPS style drone that has an adjustable gimbal. So it's going to fly smoothly. You can use the controller. Image quality is going to be a little bit better than the Neo, and it's got some more functionality. Plus it has a memory card slot. It is a step up over top of the Neo. The Neo, you can get the motion controller and the goggles for roughly $500. So we definitely recommend that for an entry-level selfie drone. We've talked about it. We've done an unboxing. Check out the channel for more details about it. Accessories at the $500 tier are going to be basically bigger stuff, right? We've got the portable power pack. Jackery and EcoFlow are going to be at the $500 or less price point with some smaller ones. DJI's biggest one, or their only one I think they offer right now, is the 1000, which is over $500 US. USB-C hard drives, again, like a 2 terabyte drive, around $150. Obviously, insurance isn't something that everyone wants, but it's something that you need. It's like socks in your stocking. Come on, man, you got to get it. You're going to get the chocolate orange. You also need to get the socks. If you're going to give someone a gift, you could pay for their insurance policy. Liability insurance is critical. It could cost you millions, right? If you hit a plane, hit a person, hit a building, that's not going to be cheap. Drone liability insurance is not required in Canada, but it's highly recommended. Credit to Finn, thinking of this one. Adobe Creative Suite. If you're interested in drone photography and videography and you're looking for a good photo editing software, I really still recommend Adobe Lightroom, and it comes bundled into a couple different plans. So right now there actually is a Black Friday promo going on at Adobe. You can get the entire suite for $329 a year. There's also DaVinci Resolve, which is free, and we always recommend that for video editing. If you got $5 grand burning a hole in your pocket right now, this is the category that you're going to want to spend some attention on. These are really going to be for serious enthusiasts or professionals or people with some serious spending problems. Like I said, if you've got a $5,000 US dollar budget to spend on someone, pretty much any DJI drone except for pretty much the Inspire or the Matrice are going to be available in this category. The full fat, full combo DJI Fly More combo is what we're talking about here. So like the Mini 4 Pro, the Avata series, the Air 3S, and the Mavic 3 Pro. Mavic 3 Pro is getting a little borderline because by the time you throw batteries in and everything else, if you go for the Cine version, it's getting up there. There even is the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise and the Mavic 3 Thermal, which are at or around the $5,000 US mark. And these are serious professional level drones. If someone close to you is going to be unwrapping an Enterprise drone that is under the tree on Christmas morning, they owe you dinner or they owe you lunch because they're going to be out making lots of bank using that professional drone. So make sure you get on their good list. A budding enthusiast may need to get certified to fly the drone. Remember, if it's over 250 grams, they're going to need a license. Of course, we have courses at $50, $500, and even under $5,000. So looking at the $50 range, we have our micro course. So it's for micro drones in Canada. Basically anything 250 grams or less, it's going to cover that category. And then we also have our recency seminar, which is for every 24 months, you have to renew your drone pilot recency. At the $500 level, we've got our advanced pilot training bundle, which includes both in Canada, the advanced online training plus the in-person flight review. And then we have an FAA Part 107 training course as well. And then at the $5,000 mark, well, almost $5,000, we've got the Ultimate Pro bundle, which contains advanced pilot training for Canadian certificate, as well as all of our professional courses in one shot to get you started in the drone industry. From $50 stocking stuffers to $5,000 powerhouse drones, there's something for everyone this holiday season. You're gonna wanna act fast because some of these prices are gonna be limited or on sales like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, just before Christmas. Let me know if I missed something in the comments. Obviously, there's thousands of things out there, so get down in the comments and let everyone else know what you're looking to get and what you think is a good deal at any of these price points. Hit that like and subscribe button, and of course, stay tuned for more footage. We've got more stuff coming. We're always here. It's always going. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next video. Happy holidays. Bye. This is awkward. End the video. Stop. Cam, make it stop now.